All right, let's talk about the lab assignment. So I guess I'm gonna skip some of the installations and set up the process I went through. So because it's just I cannot show it. Um, it's already done, and it's just really straightforward and simple. Uh, yeah, um, virtual machines, Ubuntu. These are very simple, and I think I'm just skip it. We can talk a little bit about installing Python. It's also very simple, straightforward. It's just some uh, command line, sudo app install Python 3, and here's the version check 3.10. And I tried to install Python the pipe. At first, it's not working. It was not working, but I'm not sure how. I'm not sure why, but yeah, I finally solved it with one simple command line: sudo add app repository universe. So it's also not that kind of difficult um, for this. Uh, check. Uh, all right. Yeah. So pipe 3 version. It's successfully installed. And let's jump to the basic Python task we done. First one, 2.1. Make one directory with my name and my student USCID. Here I make two folder. One is data, one is scripts under this folder. And then we're required to create another Python file, a Python file called task1 Python, and we can see it's under the script list script. So it lists all the Python files on the script. So then this 2.2, we're gonna play with the task1 Python file. It's relatively easy. Let's take a look at the Python files, the file. Yeah, so the Python script is just two lines of code. Promote user to enter their name, and then print out hello and the user's name. We can try. Yeah, so Eric, hello Eric, and then hello my name. Yeah, so it's simple. Now is 2.3 web scrubbing. I think this is the most difficult task in this lab. We have a web scrubber.py. This is the web scrubber script. Let's take a look at it. There you go. This is the code. So I use this package instead of the beautiful soup, because we are scrubbing from a dynamic web, not a static one. So I guess this one is better. And this is just trying to set up and get to the web. In this part, we try. We try to scrap informations about market banner, and here we try to scrap the latest news. And yeah, ignore this print. And we make it, we combine market banner and latest news into one HTML and write to a file. All right, let's try to execute this code. Do processing. Yeah. Just ignore this printout and try the results. This is the data folders we create. Here's the script, WebDriver Python, and I think the data go to these data folders, and it went to raw data. There you go. This is what we scrap. Now back to terminal. And then we have the data filter task. It's just basically reading the data, reading the HTML files we create before, and then filter out and filter some data that we want, and store it in a two CSV files. It's just basically getting the information that we want. All right. It's the data filter Python py. Here's the file. This part is reading the HTML we created before. And here's extracting the data, the market banner data as we want, symbol, stock position, and the changes. And we save the market data here to a CSV. We saved market data as we want that we filtered in a CSV. Here is the same. We filter out, we extract the latest news data as we want, and then we'll save it to a CSV file. Yeah. And I just can ignore this. It's saved. And let's check it out. It's in the process data. Here's the market data. Yeah, so we have the symbol, we have the stop position, and change percentage. And here's the latest news data. The timestamp, the latest news title, and the news link. All right. Thank you.